Okay, number 39 in your classic for quadratic functions asks you to find the vertex, direction openness, and axis of symmetry, and if it's a max or min for the equation. So we have y equals 2 times x plus 7 squared. So we know that we have a vertex. If this is in, even though it looks like it's in intercept form, we can technically say that it's vertex form because our plus k is 0. So then we have our vertex is at this negative h and k. So that would be the vertex at negative 7 and 0. Since the vertex is also or lies on the axis of symmetry, so our axis of sim must have the same x value. So we know that that is x equals negative 7. And looking at the direction of openness, so since this is a positive 2 coefficient in front, we know that the graph is going to open upwards, because if we look at in behavior, if we plug in larger values for x, so like a positive and negative infinity, then we know that that squared will be a positive number times that positive coefficient will give us positive end behavior, so it's going to open upwards. So our function opens upwards. So we have this, we have our vertex, and we have our axis of symmetry. And now we can go ahead and plot this, or graph this function. So we have negative 7, 0, and it opens upwards. It's also scaled 2, so it's going to look a little skinnier than a normal parabola, but it'll look something like this if we just scale it roughly.